Hi guys, Gerry here again. I want to show you this amazing product. It's called a pop-up adult desk. It's made of 100% cardboard, recyclable. It's so easy to put together, it's unbelievable. This took less than a minute. I'm going to show you this one. It's a kid's one. You get one for Junior as well. It is that easy. It basically folds and folds out. It's solid. This is the top. It's got all the little holes in order for you to put the joints through and stuff like that. If you want your kids to do it, they can do it, or you just do it yourself, problem. It can be painted, varnished, do whatever you want with it. It is absolutely solid, and best of all, it is 100% recyclable, and especially in a day like today, where we're all working from home, you know, it's just put into a little corner. None of these big desks and putting your whatever, you know, and disrupting the kitchen and the table, the dinner table and everything else. It can easily be taken apart again, like so, and put away. Simple. Yeah, very happy with it. Go and buy one. You won't regret it. Now I need to go and do some work. Speak to you later.